a top focus at this hour, Prime Minister Narendra Modi welcomed his friend Vladimir Putin to New Delhi. Now, Russian President is on a two-day state visit to India for the 23rd India-Russia Annual Summit. Now, President Putin arrived at Palam Air Force Station where Prime Minister Modi received him with a warm embrace. In fact, a Kremlin spokesperson also said that Prime Minister Modi coming personally to welcome Putin was unexpected. Now, after greeting various officials, the Russian president stood alongside Prime Minister Modi to watch performances specially prepared for his welcome at the airport, signifying the blending cultures between the two countries. Now, after the embrace and after the welcome, the two leaders then travelled together to 7 local landmark, the Prime Minister's official residence. Now, Prime Minister Modi and Vladimir Putin's bonhomie has always been a separate scene from the rest of the events at the times of their meetings. Earlier, it was apparent during their meeting at the SCO summit in China on September 1st. Prime Minister Modi and the Russian President even then shared a car ride to the venue of the bilateral meet in Russian President's Aura Senat. And now Russian President Vladimir Putin waited in fact for about 10 minutes for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to join him for the drive. Taking to social media platform X, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also wrote, "Delighted to welcome my friend President Putin to India. Looking forward to our interactions later this evening and tomorrow. India-Russia friendship is a time-tested one that has greatly benefited our people." Now, viewers, during President Putin's stay, he will be holding wide-ranging talks with Prime Minister Modi, which will focus on trade, investment, economic cooperation as well as defence ties. In fact, yesterday Prime Minister Modi also hosted a special dinner for Putin, and the two leaders had a private meeting for more than 2 hours. The private dinner was held at Prime Minister Modi's official residence at 7 local landmark. And here's a detailed report by my colleague Manish Jha on the same.
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो ये बात वाकई में एक बहुत बड़ी खबर है पूरी दुनिया भर के लिए कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी और राष्ट्रपति पुतिन दोनों प्रधानमंत्री आवास में 2 घंटे से ज़्यादा का वक्त हो गया है एक साथ यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं। और डिनर के बाद भी जाहिर है कि कोई भी डिनर आधे घंटे 45 मिनट से ज़्यादा का नहीं होगा, तो लेकिन 2 घंटा अभी तक बीत चुका है और अभी भी राष्ट्रपति पुतिन यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं। उनके राष्ट्रपति पुतिन के टीम के खास लोग, जिसमें क्रेमलिन प्रवक्ता दमित्री पेस्कोव भी हैं, उनको मैंने यहाँ से वापस जाते हुए देखा है। हालांकि डिनर, चूँकि ये 1-to-1 डिनर था जिसमें केवल प्रधानमंत्री मोदी और प्रेसिडेंट पुतिन ही शामिल थे, तो जाहिर है कि वो डिनर के हिस्से नहीं थे। लेकिन अमूमन जब लीडर्स डिनर में शामिल होते हैं तो उनकी टीम के जो बाकी लोग होते हैं वो बाहर वेट कर रहे होते हैं। लेकिन दमित्री पेस्कोव और जो दूसरे और लोग थे वो एक गाड़ी में चले गए यहीं पास में, जहाँ पे ITC मोरिया होटल में जो बाकी लोग ठहरे हुए हैं। राष्ट्रपति पुतिन का यहाँ होना और कमोबेश अगर देखा जाए तो भारत आने के बाद लगभग अगर मोटे तौर पर देखा जाए तो 3 घंटे का वक्त है, जिसमें से अधिकांश समय वो प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के साथ ही थे। एयरपोर्ट से दोनों साथी एक गाड़ी में आए और फिर यहाँ पर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी और प्रेसिडेंट पुतिन एक ही साथ हैं। तो ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत बड़ा मैसेज है, खास करके तब क्योंकि अभी की टाइमिंग बहुत अलग है।
All right, so that's what day 1 looked like for the Russian president while he is on 2-day India visit, and today is the day 2. Today's where the big action will take place. We will have the 23rd India-Russia Annual Summit, or you can call it the Modi-Putin Summit. It's set to take place today. But before that, Russian President will also be meeting President Draupadi Murmu. He will also pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. Later on, you'll also have a joint statement that will be released by the two leaders after their bilateral meet takes place. And in fact, we'll also have a delegation level meeting with the business leaders that have been accompanying the Russian president. So it's a packed day, in fact, for both the leaders, as the day 2 for the Russian president kicks off his India visit. All eyes will be on, of course, from Washington to all the European capitals to even China, watching the big summit that's set to take place between President Putin and Prime Minister Modi. A lot is on the table, from defense deals to economic ties to trade in oil and gas. All of that will be discussed between the two leaders today. In fact, it is a friendship, India and Russia. When we talk about that, it's a time-tested friendship. It's a friendship that has remained steady for decades now, despite the turbulence we have been witnessing in the global geopolitics. So it is something that is going to be discussed when it comes to defense, especially Su-57, upgradation of BrahMos, S-400, S-500. These are the crucial equipment that the two leaders will in fact be talking about. Remember, it was BrahMos, it was S-400 which helped India during its Operation Sindoor against Pakistan. So these are the crucial defense deals that are going to be discussed, that are on the table. In terms of oil trade, this is something also that will come up. In fact, President Putin will also be briefing the Prime Minister about the developments taking place in terms of negotiation going on with Ukraine to end the war. This is something that will also come up during the discussion between the two leaders. And because a lot of business leaders have been traveling with President Putin, we will also have some economic cooperation and economic discussions on the table as well. So it is going to be a packed day. We're looking at a big day in terms of diplomacy and crucial partnership, crucial ties between India as well as Russia. Remember, the visit started yesterday at about 6 p.m., which is when President Putin landed in India, and breaking the protocol, Prime Minister Modi himself reached the airport to receive Russian President. It was followed up by a warm embrace, a handshake, and then both the leaders travelled in the same car to 7 local landmarks. This is when they also held a dinner. It was supposed to be an informal dinner and a discussion between the two leaders that lasted for more than 2 hours. And then today is where the engagements will begin for day 2 of the Russian president's visit to India. Remember, it will be starting with the meeting with an official welcome for the Russian president at Rashtrapati Bhavan. He will be meeting President Draupadi Murmu, which will be then followed up by him visiting Rajghat to pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. And then, of course, you'll have the big action play out in terms of this summit. Then, of course, you'll have the two leaders release joint statements regarding the outcome of that meeting. We are anticipating about more than 10 governmental as well as 10 commercial pacts that may come out of this meeting. And then you will have a dinner and a banquet also hosted by President Murmu for Russian president, which is when the visit will come to an end. So 2-day packed, in fact, a historic visit, a visit between two partners who have shared a time-tested friendship, a time-tested relationship. And if you see, it's not just the ties between India and Russia which are time-tested. In fact, the bonhomie between the two leaders, President Putin as well as Prime Minister Modi, that's also very evident in the way they've interacted with each other over the years. As you can see, we're getting you visuals from their meeting that took place last night at 7 local landmark. And the bonhomie is clearly visible between the two leaders. Remember, they also shared the same car while they travelled from the airport to 7 local landmark. And in fact, it is not the first time that they shared the same car. Back when they met in China for the SCO summit, they also spoke for hours while sharing the same car. So, this is a trend, in fact, that they followed at this time as well. And a crucial summit lined up today at about 11 a.m. IST. We're looking at this. Remember, it's not just India that's looking at this visit, or Russia, but right from Washington to European capitals to, in fact, Beijing. Everyone right now is looking at this crucial visit and the outcome that could come out of the big Modi-Putin summit.